𝗚𝗏𝗹𝗶𝗃𝗲𝗿𝗆, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Cunanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, but first, coffee. Let's go! Once again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. This coffee shop actually went viral. South Cavite, Manila, NCR. Finally, nandito na siya sa
Ameluz City. Yes. Oh. Another place to enjoy, lalo na sa mga coffee lover.
Very inspiring, but then again, of course, when you go here, it's all about the experience. And what do we have on our table, brother?
So on our table, syempre, uunahan natin yung mga pagkain natin. So meron tayo dito lasagna, blueberry cheesecake, coffee bun, and syempre yung mga cookies natin.
Alright. For our refreshments, of course, meron tayong mga hot and cold. So this is white choco, cafe mocha.
So ito yung 1 liter coffee nila, which is yung Vietnamese coffee nila.
So more of this refreshments. So meron tayo ditong caramel macchiato. This one,
Spanish latte. And syempre yung kanilang specialty coffee dito is yung kanilang Biscoff latte.
Heads up for those of you who will avail this one. So this is actually 1 liter concentrate bottle. So always, drink it with ice. Yes. Alright.
So, ang bestseller namin ngayon, Spanish latte, which is yung sa espresso drink namin. Pero, meron din kami drink na drip base, which is yung Vietnamese. Additional, so para dito sa Angeles branch, sa North branches namin dito, we're offering the Biscoff latte.
Okay, I wanna go first with this one. This is one of my favorite Spanish latte.
I'll try yung kanilang Biscoff na hand.
Sure.
Ako hindi ako mahilig sa coffee, pero I heard yung kanilang Biscoff is how special nila ta. So this is the one I will try.
But first, coffee!
So, yun nga, as you can see, yung coffee namin, aside from may quality siya, in terms of the price, meron siya, medyo mura siya. Kumbaga, para lahat ng tao is kaya siya, afford siya na mabili.
So for their mga coffee natin, guys, we have espresso base and meron tayong drip base. Imagine for a 12 ounce na hot coffee, starting tayo at 55 pesos.
55 pesos
Plain black.
Napakamura na niya.
And then yung 1 liter bottle concentrate natin, as low as 190 pesos. Imagine that's 1 liter.
Talagang gising na gising.
Parang entire day mo na coffee yun.
Yes.
Diba? And a good thing, it's packaged this way. So what? It's feel proof. Ayan. And at the same time, resealable.
And ready to go.
Ready to go. Exactly.
Siyempre naman sa mga food natin dito, meron tayo dito yung kanilang blueberry cheesecake for only 160 pesos. And siyempre yung bagay na bagay sa coffee is yung lasagna nila is only 120 pesos. Siyempre, next thing to do ko naman, titikman ko na yun.
So, located kami sa Santo Entierro, malapit kami sa AUF. So, pag dinaretso mo siya, malapit siya sa Holy Rosary. Hours natin, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. pag Monday to Thursday, and 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. pag Friday to Sunday. Inviting everyone dito sa But First Coffee Angeles. Enjoy kayo dito, pwede kayo mag-stay dito, pwede kayo mag-internet dito, pwede kayo mag-work dito. At the same time, sa mga hindi kaya makapunta, chat nyo lang kami sa Facebook, kaya namin kayo maabot within the 1 to 6 kilometers. So free delivery na kami.
So, ayun guys, Mark, I got really excited when I found out na nandito na sa Pampanga ang But First Coffee.
Yes.
So, sa mga millennials na nakakilala sa brand na to, nandito na po siya sa Angeles City.
Yes, so nandito, another option for tambayan and siguro mga business meeting, mga cozy ng place, napakaliwalas ng parking.
This is gonna be free up sa mga sasakyan and hindi problem ang parking. So, ayun guys, if you like this video or if you like any food na nakita nyo po sa video na to, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends, and when you share it, please tag We're in Pampanga para malike din po namin ng mga post ninyo.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.